This is some crazy crap. He's scared. Come on!
Is that Eric?
Just come on! No, it's not Eric. Actually, I think it's Jonah.
Oh, dude! Oh, that gravel tripped me up.
Are you okay?
Oh, God. Dude, that freaking hurt. I don't know how.
That is Kennedy.
It's Eric, I think.
No, that's Kennedy.
Alright. Oh, so close!
No! Weird.
Alright.